Household items vocabulary. Cushion, cushion. A soft bag filled with padding, used for comfort on chairs or sofas. She placed a cushion behind her back. The sofa came with 2 matching cushions. Drawer, drawer. A box-shaped storage compartment that slides in and out of furniture. The scissors are in the top drawer. He opened the drawer and pulled out a notebook. Blanket, blanket. A large piece of cloth used to keep warm, especially in bed. I need an extra blanket tonight. It's cold. She wrapped the baby in a soft blanket. Toaster, toaster. A small appliance used to toast slices of bread. I put 2 slices of bread in the toaster. The toaster beeped when the bread popped up. Curtain, curtain. A piece of cloth that hangs down to cover a window. I close the curtains before going to bed. Sunlight streamed through the open curtains. Kettle, kettle. A container with a lid, spout, and handle used for boiling water. The kettle is boiling. Tea will be ready soon. She filled the kettle and placed it on the stove. Remote, remote. A small device used to control electronic equipment from a distance. Where's the TV remote? He used the remote to change the channel. Hanger, hanger. A device used to hang clothes in a closet. I need more hangers for my shirts. She put the dress on a hanger. Broom, broom. A long-handled brush used for sweeping floors. He grabbed a broom to clean the kitchen. The broom was leaning against the wall. Shelf, shelf. A flat board used for storing or displaying items. The books are on the top shelf. She placed a photo frame on the shelf. Mop, mop. A tool with a long handle and absorbent head used for cleaning floors. I used a mop to clean the kitchen floor. The mop was still wet after use. Lamp, lamp. A device that produces light, often placed on a table or desk. She turned on the lamp to read her book. The lamp in the living room gives off a warm glow. Mirror, mirror. A reflective surface, usually glass, used to see one's reflection. He looked in the mirror to fix his tie. There's a large mirror above the sink. Rug, rug. A small carpet used to cover part of a floor. There's a colorful rug under the coffee table. I bought a soft rug for the bedroom. Bucket, bucket. A round container with a handle, used for carrying liquids. She filled the bucket with water. The cleaner used a bucket and mop to wash the floor. Clock, clock. A device that shows the time. The clock on the wall says it's 3 p.m. I bought a digital clock for the bedroom. Oven, oven. A kitchen appliance used for baking or roasting food. The cake is in the oven. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Sink, sink. A bowl in the kitchen or bathroom used for washing. She washed the dishes in the sink. The sink was full of soapy water. Vacuum, vacuum. A machine that uses suction to clean floors. I use the vacuum every Saturday morning. The vacuum cleaner is in the closet. Fridge, fridge. A large electrical appliance used for keeping food cold. The milk is in the fridge. Please close the fridge door. Microwave, microwave. A kitchen appliance used to heat food quickly. She heated the soup in the microwave. The microwave beeped when the food was ready. Dishwasher, dishwasher. A machine that washes dishes automatically. I put all the dirty plates in the dishwasher. The dishwasher is full, so I'll run it tonight. Cupboard, cupboard. A cabinet with shelves used for storage, especially in kitchens. The cups are in the cupboard above the sink. She opened the cupboard to get some plates. Tablecloth, tablecloth. A cloth used to cover a table. She spread a clean tablecloth before dinner. The red tablecloth made the table look festive. Frying pan, frying pan. A flat pan used for frying food. I used a frying pan to make eggs. The frying pan was hot and ready. Laundry basket, laundry basket. A container used to hold dirty clothes before washing. The laundry basket is already full. He carried the laundry basket to the washing machine. Iron, iron. A device used to remove wrinkles from clothes with heat. She used the iron to press her shirt. The iron was still hot, so be careful. Mattress, mattress. A large, soft pad used on a bed to sleep on. The mattress is too firm for me. We bought a new mattress last week. Closet, closet. A small room or space for storing clothes. My clothes are hanging in the closet. She organized all her shoes in the closet. Chopping board, chopping board. A flat board used for cutting food. Always use a chopping board when cutting vegetables. I clean the chopping board after cutting meat. Which word is a countable noun? A. Water. B. Sugar. C. Cushion. D. Rice. Which sentence uses an article correctly? A. I need the iron. B. I need iron. C. I need an iron. D. I need a iron. Which sentence is in the present continuous tense? A. I use the microwave. B. I use the microwave. C. I am using the microwave. D. I was used the microwave. Which of these is an adjective plus noun combination? A. Warmly the blanket. B. A soft blanket. C. Blanket soft. D. The blanket softly.